Yeah, guys, welcome to the channel. This is our second video on conditional statements programs. So, in this program, we need to write a Python program which takes a number as input and prints the number and prints a single digit number in case of number less than 10 only. Okay, what they are telling means if the input give 1, for example 100, you should print a 100 as it is. Okay, if it is 50, you should print 50 as it is. If it is 20, you should print 20 as it is. If it is 9, a number which is less than 10, you should print it is a you should print 9 first, 9 first, and print that single digit number. You should print single digit number. This is the scenario. Now if you observe from the before question and this question, in before question what they asked, first they will give the special handling, after they will give the normal one, correct? In this case what they are doing, first they are printing normal statement which it should print for every number, and in case of special thing, special treatment, it is printing after that, correct? So we'll do the code and we'll understand. So if it is input, what is the input? Input is nothing but a number. Okay, input is a number. Okay, what is the output? What is the output? You should print that number. Okay, print that number. We should print the number as an output, and in case if it is less than 10, we should print uh, single digit number also as the extra statement. Single digit number, this is the extra statement. Okay, this is the extra statement. This is the scenario which they told. Now how to do this? First step, while writing the program, first we should take the input. A is equals to input of. Okay, we are taking one input, and here see, in the coming from top to the bottom flow, first we should print the number, right? In any case we should print the number. First we should print this, or first we should print a single digit number. First we should print this number, correct? So I am printing print a. Okay, I am printing a. I am printing a, the number as it is. Next, if if a less than 10, okay, special treatment, if a less than 10, I should print by giving the space. Okay, single digit number, I should print single digit number. This is the very simple code. Actually if condition is very less usage, but I want to make sure that you need to understand in a very clear way when to use if else if, so that I frame some three questions only. It is less important. If it is more important, I will frame good number of questions. No need to worry. So for this you understand, if condition check first, if I wrote correctly, spelling correct, now within the brackets I gave the correct condition only, then colon, next indentation I maintained, and the block of code I written, everything is correct as per the syntax. It is correct. Okay, every line is correct. Now the execution will come from top to bottom. If this condition is true, some special treatment, or else normally only. This is the case. Okay, this is true. I hope you people understand this. Now we will write the code and we will understand. Okay, now we will write the code and we will understand. Let me, I think, I hope you people can see. All of you people know this GDB online compiler. Let me change the screen. I hope everything, yeah, everything is visible. Now, first I need to take the input. Okay. Now in the input, I will ask for the user enter a number. Okay. Enter a number. Now user entered a number. I need to print the number. Print A. The entered number is printed. If A less than 10, if the number entered value is less than 10, what I should do? Please print, please print. It's it's a it's a single digit number. Okay, it's a single digit number. I am printing this also extra. Okay, I hope you people are clear. You can see this. First I will, whatever the code I written, I'm just writing in the Python syntax only. They are telling something. Input, see here, int put is not defined. They are asking int put. What is this int put? They don't know. Compiler don't know. Interpreter. Now see, enter a number. I am entering a number which is 100. In this case, what it should print? It should print 100 only, right? Just 100. What is this? Again, we got some error. not supported instead of, see what it is telling means, you are giving a string, input of enter a number. By default python will read it as a string, but what you are doing, you are comparing a string with integer. It is not possible. So they are telling to typecast int, 1 minute, let me write this. I think why this cursor is like this, I don't know. Int of input of enter a number. You know this typecast, I already taught you. Now see, first I am taking one integer input, I'm converting it to integer. Now I am checking print here. Now let's see, it's correct actually. So now I am entering 100. It is printing 100, correct. It is printing 100. Now if it is less than 10, for example 5, what it should print, it should print 5 followed by that. It is a single digit number. See, it's printing, it is printing 5 and it is telling it's a single digit number. So in case of when you get the error, please read the error. So I already did number of programs, so I can within the seconds I can read it, understand I am doing the change. If I, it will give a very good suggestions also. See, before it gave int int put, I gave, it is telling you need to use input input, like this. The errors are, from the errors you can understand what the mistake you are making. So whenever you got an error, please try to debug by yourself. If you cannot do, you cannot ask me, right? Please post in the comment. It will take some time to reply. I should see it, I should reply, or else instantly go to chat gpt, paste the error, ask please explain me the error. Please paste the code and paste the error and ask please explain me the error, okay? But whenever you got the error, don't directly go to ChatGPT. Try to do it by yourself. Then only after 5 minutes only go to ChatGPT. Then your brain also will develop some uh, pattern how to decode an error, how to understand an error. These things. Okay. I hope I made this question clear. Now I will meet you in the next video. Okay. Bye guys.